Good morning and welcome to the first masterclass at the London College of Animal Osteopathy.
They came from all over the world. 25 animal lovers to the Norwegian countryside, outside Skien, Norway. Teams of sled dogs were waiting for them. Over the course of 4 days, these working canines were in expert hands, benefiting from the osteopathic articular balancing technique created by our very own Professor Stuart McGregor, taught by expert instructors from down under and closer to home. Our students worked in pairs and threes, supervised under expert eyes as they perfected their OAB assessment and treatment skills, along with advanced direct techniques, including direct manipulation of the cervical, thoracic, and lumbar vertebrae, pelvis, hip, and shoulder, as well as cranial osteopathy, functional technique, and short lever recoil technique.
I really loved the cranial osteopathy this morning. We were learning about energies and how to feel the energies of the dog. I also loved learning inhibition and just creating that change and really feeling that response in the muscle.
Steadfast friendships formed quickly, and by graduation day it was difficult to say goodbye to the dogs, to each other, and to this beautiful place. Stay tuned for information on future masterclasses in Norway, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and the United Kingdom.